Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, now this table looks like a shambles here, but for me it's an organized one. Not like the rest of my room, that is total demacor, this maze. But I want to finish this working station of mine, so that's why all the stuff is here. I just made this little cute little cabinet out of milk carton boxes, all recycled material. You must go and watch that video of how I made this. And so yeah, I'm going to do the same with this working station of mine. All most of the stuff is going to be out of recycled material that I'm going to do. There's a few things I'm going to do on the back here. I'm going to make like a notice board of the carton and all that stuff, and that's why all this vice binding and the stuff is here. I wanted to use ribbon, but every time I take a piece of ribbon, like there I've got one here, then I thought to myself, well, no, maybe I can use this for Barbie. Even like this vice binding here with this patterns on my, I think I'm going to take that out because I can use that maybe for Barbie. But I don't usually use the vice binding, so that's why I took that and all of this. I've got a lot of this little zigzag ribbon type of things. So I'm going to put that on with that crisscross thing with another sport. I'm going to cover all this so I can put my glue sticks, which I really need to buy some more glue sticks because you won't believe how much glue I use in this little cabinet here. So I'm going to cover that with also the wallpaper here. And I'm even going to do something with the pegs that's lying here also. And the buttons I'm also going to put on the notice board, and I'm even going to use this cardboard box here for some shelving. So yeah, I want to get my workstation organized here so I can get rid of that, all that stuff is lying there because I can't work like that anymore. So yeah, in that case, let's get started. workstation, all finished and done. And I'm quite happy with the way it came out. It's now already full of stuff, but everything is at hand now where I need him. And yeah, okay, now I must learn from the beginning where's everything. Because yeah, some things changed a bit around, but yeah, I'll get used to that. And believe me, there's already stuff in my little drawers as well. This is just to put little trinkets in, and yeah, everything is sorted the way I use. Like this is my for all my tools that I always use it. That's at hand, like this awesome little knife of my cutter and my saw and my standing knife and um, side cutters and all that stuff that I use every time. And then I just turn my hot glue is on I put that on a ceramic tile, took that carton away and put it in the ceramic tile. So it's the glue can come easily off there. And I even got a light here if I may need one. So yeah, everything is organized. And yeah, this came from was a TV. I wanted to use it maybe in a dollhouse, but there is still a piece left if I want to use it there. But it actually came in quite handy to put for the little stuff around at the back here. So yeah, and this is all stuff that I already had in the room like this that I just can use now. And yeah, I think everything will be much neater now. So now it's just for cleaning up the room. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and then see you at cleanup time. Bye.